This man discovers a shocking secret inside the ocean. He was shocked to see the scene in front of him. A very thick and large iron chain was spread across the sea, and this chain was not just one but many, as if he was holding something huge. The man's heart was beating loudly. Out of curiosity, he quickly comes to the surface of the water and looks around. But seeing the scene in front of him, his soul trembled. He saw that a huge wave, 100 meters high, was coming towards him. At this fatal juncture, the small donkey standing next to him flapped its wings with all its might and pulled the man out of the water. The little donkey somehow manages to reach above the wave while both of them were under the wave, thus saving the lives of both of them. After the big wave passed, the sea became calm again, but then suddenly his eyes fall on the scary chains that were holding a mountain tight. It appeared to be a floating island, but the surprising thing was that this island also had eyes which were very big. Her eyes were begging the man for mercy, due to which the man's heart melts and he decides to save this poor huge creature. But when he looked at the island more closely, he realized that it was not an island at all, but an ancient giant whale that was cruelly chained in iron. The giant whale's tears were flowing like pearls in sorrow. Seeing this pitiable scene, the man's resolve to save him became even stronger. The man looked at the whale's cave-like nose and suddenly a daring idea came to his mind. He rides on his magic donkey and goes straight into the whale's nose, and in order to provoke the giant creature, the man begins to gently scratch the whale's sensitive nasal walls using miniature horse feathers. As the itching increases rapidly, the huge whale, unable to stop itself from sneezing, slowly raised its mountain-like head up. Within moments, the seawater enters his nose and the rusty, delicate iron chain begins to break. Then as the whale raised its head further, the remaining chains also started breaking one by one. The very next moment, the whale sneezed so hard that it became free from its chains. The man and the donkey also saw the opportunity and ran away quickly. This little flying donkey was no ordinary animal. In fact, it was a sky god horse who came down to earth one day for fun. He destroyed a farmer's wheat field. This man is hired to guard that field. Then one day, the magic horse fell into the river. The kind man throws a rope to him and pulls him out of the river and catches him on the spot. When he was going to tie the horse, tears of regret appeared in the horse's eyes, which melts the heart of a kind man. He made a deal with the horse that he would set him free if he never harmed the farm again. After being freed, the horse is delighted by the man's kindness and to repay the favor. By the next morning, he magically gifts the man 2 beautiful horses and himself is transformed into a simple little donkey who can run at the speed of lightning and also fly in the sky. He becomes the man's companion to protect him.